Hey, it's Annie with your latest tech update. I'm sure this has happened to you. You visit a website and a pop-up asks if it can send you notifications. You click yes, and within a few days, you totally regret it. Now, it's one thing for the odd news update, and another to be completely bombarded with alerts. Now, this has a name. It's called notification spam, and it can kill productivity in your business. There's good news though. Google's working on a new feature to automatically block alerts from websites it decides are abusive or disruptive. Once blocked, the site won't be able to ask permission to send notifications. We're not sure when this new feature will be released, so if you need help reducing notification spam for your staff before then, get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.